journey started from Gaumukh sharp at 9 am. So our first destination is Chirbasa, then we climb up to Bhojwasha, where we are going to stay for the night. Say hi. Down the valley goes river Bhagirathi, and we all can hear the roaring sound of the river.